Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the value of x from the given equation. So the equation given to us is minus of 3x plus 4 upon 2, then minus of 2x minus 4 upon 5 will be equals minus of 0.2x plus 17.2 upon 10, right? So at first we are going to find out the LCM of 5 and 2. So 5 LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. Now when 10 is divided by 2, we get 5. 5 multiplied by minus of 3x will become minus of 15x, and 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. Again 10 when divided by 5 produces 2, and 2 multiplied by minus of 2x is minus of 4x. Minus of 4x multiplied by minus of 1 will become plus 4x. And similarly minus of 4 multiplied by 2 is minus of 8. Minus of 8 multiplied by minus of 1 is plus 8. And in the right hand side we have minus of 0.2x plus 17.2 upon 10. Now in order to get the answer we have to divide both sides of the equality, in order to in next step what we are going to do is we are going to multiply both sides of the equality by 10. So it will become minus of 15x plus 4x will give us minus of 11x, and 20 plus 8 will become 28, which will be equals minus of 0.2x plus 17.2. Now shift minus of 0.2x to the left hand side, so it will become minus of 11x plus 0.2x, which will be equals minus of 10.8x, and shift 28 to the right hand side, so it will become minus of 28. So 17.2 minus of 28 will give us minus of 10.8. Now in order to find the value of x, divide both sides of the equality by minus of 10.8. So x will be equals 1. Therefore, upon checking the options, we see that option C will be our required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.